Today we're going to trade touchdowns for terabytes and talk about the big game of world cloud computing to celebrate the Super Bowl this Sunday. We're talking Amazon Web Services, y'all. And just like the Super Bowl, Amazon Web Services brings everyone together with a vast array of services that any business you use, whether small or large. Let's get started. Hey VFC fam, it's your boy Joshua Tech Dev Walker, your venti fried chicken author and global cloud slinger. So in the spirit of Super Bowl, we're going to break this down into 3 sections. First, we're going to go through the stages of AWS. Then we're going to do the halftime show, which is benefits of AWS. And then we're going to take it to the 4th quarter and we're going to get started with AWS. Make sure to support the book on Amazon and Goodreads. It is a story of how it went from, at one point, a veteran to homelessness to the tech boss that you see today. So getting into these stages. Think of AWS as a stadium with multiple stages, just like the Super Bowl, each offering different functionality. First, we have compute, which is essentially your quarterback. And I say that because it's the brain of your operation. And in AWS, you have a variety of options. You have servers, you have containers, you have serverless functions. Then jumping into storage, which is really your offensive line, which protects and stores your data with common options like S3 and EBS. Whereas your networking is like your defensive line, securing all of your AWS resources and making it so it's safely navigating through your AWS account and ecosystem. Your virtual private cloud, your virtual private network, and Route 53 offer seamless connectivity securely. Your database essentially acts as your playbook, which stores your crucial information. You have options like DynamoDB and RDS, as well as robust options like Redshift. When it comes to analytics, it's basically your coach, because it helps you make informed decisions. Services like Amazon Kinesis and Redshift really help, as you're able to gain insights from your data. There's a lot more services, obviously, but hopefully this will help ground you with these stages, as AWS is just as reliable as Travis Kelce mustache. Moving on to the halftime show, which is the benefits you'll get from AWS. One is scalability. You can basically cater to thousands of fans within your AWS account by being able to scale with the user's needs. The second is cost effectiveness. You basically get a pay-as-you-go model, making it a savvy solution for all business models. Next is reliability. AWS has some of the greatest uptime we've ever seen, similar to Patrick Mahomes. Next, the security is great because your attack dogs can have attack dogs, or your linemen can have linemen in this context. They have a slew of services to protect you from cyber attacks, and once again, they're built for any size. Now let's jump into the 4th quarter, because I know a lot of you guys are ready to join the game. First, sign up for a free account, then start to explore the free tier options, which there's a ton of them. Use their extensive documentation to learn, and I'll link some supplemental resources in the description as well. And I've also done a lot of content on this channel. Lastly, connect with the AWS community just to get guidance and show your thrill of the cloud. Hopefully these analogies helped as sports fans so that you can see how amazing the cloud can be if you take advantage. Train, inspire, relate, and subscribe for more tech content.